Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm back. Who missed me? Anyway, we are in the garage. We have some stuff to do on my daily. Yeah, the story is I went to the inspection about a week. And I just fall through because the plates at the rear end behind the brake rotors are completely over, and my front lights are not okay. My battery is not okay. The mounting plate from the batteries failed. The ball joint at the front right is not okay, and my muffler is not okay. It's rusty. So I have the new stuff here. A new ball joint. Then the plates here, and I don't know where the mounting plate is from my battery, but I think we will just make a new one. And and my handbrake. My handbrake is not good, or not so good how it should, but last year in December or something like that, we put new brake pads in it, so I think it's just an adjustment, or I don't know, but we will figure it out. We are ready with the back, with the plates. They are in now. With the rust we will continue next time, because we ordered a new compressor and it will be easier to paint it, this thing with the compressor. So yeah, now we are working on the lights, and then yeah, I think this is it for now. We will continue it in the next video, or in the next clip. So same video but next clip. So we are back again with my daily. The new brake rotors are here, because the old ones are very rusty, so they need to go. They are already away. And this is the another issue. There is a lot of rust, and here, as you can see, so we need to take care on it, paint it.
Cusp, not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut. Played the game, made bank, move G. Anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the sword, swinging blades at these scrubs. Flock like bugs to the light, getting right. Treat my hoes like these raps. I don't really got a type. Off top bullshit. All I needed was a mic. Yeah. Hey, pass the rock, it's all butter. Pack your bags and take flight. Don't worry, it's all covered. Hey, live your life while you can. Our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster.
Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back, I'm focused on what's in front of me. Everybody day's a number, but I'm still here luckily.
Brake rotors are on. They're really sexy. And I don't need to paint them because they're already painted. On the both side. So this whole thing is ready now. And I'm done underneath the car. Now we need to paint it, and the muffler too. Yeah, it's rusty, but it won't get better. So
They was praying that I fall off. Yeah, stood 10 toes, never fall young, finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena, never finna fall off. Yeah, stood 10 toes, never fall young, finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena.
Are you shit some fans, huh? Ay, really got a plan, huh? But coming to some paper, you won't even lift your man up. I'm coming off the dribble, it's simple, I make them stand up. Come from where they sagging, now luxury, hold my pants up, I'm nasty. Nick, you should ask me. Best about the city, ask my daughter why she dabbing. Got my name in their mouth while they songs in the drought. I know it's hard to get out, you should be closing your mouth. I told them only time would tell. They craving for attention, guess these didn't know me well. I say nada, don't reply unless it's about $1. Oh well, okay, ha 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 ha. All this local, just some local. I'm doing shows overseas, they don't know you. Hey, check the wristwatch, that's a rollie.
now I'm ready underneath the car with the underbody. Well, it looks sick. It's enough. I think it's enough. No rust, everything black. Cool. So the rest, what we need to do, I have a list here. That's everything what we need to do. We are done with some points, and we going to get the rest, and then we are ready. I can go back next week and get the new inspection. There's a plate under there, but not here. So now is the battery not safe, and we need to get it safe. And we need to set the lights because they are not okay, but we will do it at home because there is more place for it. And then the rest. So the new rotors on it, this thing, this plate are on it on both sides. I'm done with the underbody work, so yeah. The last thing is setting the lights and the plate for the battery, and then we are done. And now I want to introduce you our new project. We have a new project. We didn't start it yet, but we will start maybe next week or next weekend. So yeah, this is our new project.
Hey, get the fuck up out my face. Money tucked inside the safe. If you ask me what I want, what you brought me in the case. Dodging ops, getting guap. Get the fuck up out my way. I'm forever on the race till they catch me in the chase. Get the fuck up out my face. Money tucked inside the safe.
We are going to build a shopping cart, go-kart, just for drifting or real race, like grid race, you know, but just for fun, not for real, just for fun. And yeah, we need to draw the plans, how we want to do it, buy all the parts what we need, and then we will start to build it. So this, I think this is it. Now we are getting ready with the car, and then yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see what we are gonna do with this card. And then yeah, it's almost holiday. We have 3 weeks, I think, now until holiday. And as I said, I will go to Hungary, back home with homies and stuff. We will drive a lot. And yeah, the master is, yeah, as I said, we still have problems with the with the power steering, but we will try everything to get it done and get it work. So yeah, but yeah, that's enough now. So please subscribe if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.